Seriously?
Yeah, sure. Monopoly. I'm just running ideas.
Dude, you're not even cool anymore. Saw don't scare me. Does it scare you? You do the same crap every movie, man. No one even likes you anymore. Like, I'm surprised there isn't a pig that... Is that gas?
Gas prices always go higher.
Oh, my fucking head. Oh. Oh, man, you were serious about playing Monopoly.
Oh, I want to play a game.
I bet you do.
Shut up. Anyway, you know the deal. Monopoly. Here's what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna have a twist. Each time you get to jail, you will lose your body parts. Lose all of them, and you die.
Well, geez, Captain Obvious, thanks for pointing that out.
Hey, don't listen. Now listen. You're gonna be using your,
Nuts?
Don't fail.
Alright. Okay.
You're just gonna roll them. Like that. See?
Yes, that seems hard. Go ahead.
Move back.
Oh, man. You're not even trying. You're not even trying anymore.
Be quiet. This is just yeah.
Oh, man. Alright, look, I understand, man, but, how am I supposed to play if I'm tied up here? Yeah. Didn't think that one all the way through, huh? You really gonna hit me with that, man? Why don't you just use the gas again? Oh, that was pretty good for a little man. That kind of hurt. Kind of tastes like ketchup a little bit. Oh, the best you got? Oh. All right, that's starting to hurt now. You should stop. Whoa. Oh man, dude, come on. I was joking about the things. You don't hit like a bitch. Just don't hit me. Who uses a hammer? Ow, I would have pretended to get knocked out. Why didn't you just use the rest of the gas, man? What the heck? Yo, is this an Xbox wire? Wow, these are actually pretty durable. You got that. These are little, you know what I'm saying?
Now, if we can continue with our game, and it'd be time to play again. Hold on.
You want me to be? I'll be the banker, yo.
No,
come on. I'll be the banker.
For nothing. Now we're gonna play the game. Choose your player.
So, alright, can I be the car?
No!
Ah, damn.
That was mine.
Well, can I be the shoe?
No.
Ow. The hell? What can I be?
You could be the dog, because you're a little bitch.
What the No! Whatever.
Let the games begin.
Oh man, you're a weirdo. How did I get myself stuck into this again?
No, weirdo. Okay? That's just my laugh.
Oh, this is more funny than scary.
You might be mad. Let's just start the game.
Yes, let's start. What is that? Doubles again? Oh man! What is that? Like twice in a row, dude? Oh man, you suck, bro.
You're cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You're so not scary. I'm gonna take my little bitch ass. Free parking, baby. What is that? Like $10,000? Oh man, you suck ass. Oh man, bro. You know what? I'm glad you like did all this stuff and tied me up, dude. This just shows how much you suck at your own game.
You know what? I have an idea.
What's that? Really, man? My arm? I fucking masturbate with this hand. You're an asshole. You're not even scary, you're just an asshole.
Serves you right. Oh, you do that to your mother.
Let's just keep playing. I'll make you lose a body part.